coming to you with another Tribe social media challenge. I've got Miss Amaya here, and she's gonna do our Tribe Kids Little Monkey Challenge. She's gonna do 2 chimps going one way, 2 chimps going the other way, as many times as she can in 1 minute. You ready? All right, let's see it. Come on down here, Amaya. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 20 seconds in. 2 and 4. In and 6. Nice job. 8. That's 30. Amaya, we're at 30 seconds. Let's go. Good. 34. Nice job. Keep going. 36. 38. 2 more. Keep going. 40. We got 20 seconds left. 42. 44. 46. Come on, babe. 48. Good. And 50. You got 10 seconds, babe. Let's go. Good. 54. Almost there. 56. You got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 60. Nice job. All right. I've got Amaya over here, and she got 60 chimps in our Little Monkey Challenge. So if you think